lift is a vehicle lifting and straightening system marketed by Blackhawk, the recognized bodywork repair specialist. It constitutes a true bodywork repair concept meeting all the needs of a modern workshop. Simplicity, ergonomics, speed, power, versatility, and it all comes at a low price for the level of quality offered. Anchored to the ground, the straightening bench lets you mount most private vehicles quickly due to its low height of 115 millimeters. The 2.5-ton capacity lift, controlled remotely via a hydroelectric pump, makes mounting the vehicle to be repaired on the straightening bench very easy. The vehicle to be repaired is first positioned on 4 support stands using the lift. The operator hooks on the 4 clamp fittings. The 4 vehicle fixing clamps are attached to these fittings. The clamps are adjustable to provide the best fit with the shape of the vehicle's sills. The lift then lets you attach the fixing clamps to the vehicle's anchoring points. The clamp fittings, clamps in the vehicle are then locked in place using bolts and wedges. The vehicle stands can now be removed and stored. When the vehicle is being dropped, the lift stops automatically at a preset height, allowing the operator to install the pulling arm. This multi-directional pulling arm is equipped with a 10-ton capacity hydraulic system fed by a 700-bar hydro-pneumatic pump. The double orientation of the pulling arm enables straightening work to be carried out over a large repair area without having to either unlock it or move it. The pulling arm can be positioned at any point on the straightening bench, in front, behind, or to the side, meaning that it is always as close as possible to the area to be straightened, thus permitting pulling in the impact axis. After analyzing the impact, the operator sets the straightening angle and locks the pulling arm in the desired pulling axis using pins. He installs the straightening accessory required for the job and activates the 10-ton hydraulic pressure of the ram on the pulling arm by pressing the pedal on the hydro-pneumatic pump. The height of post-lift standard anchoring clamps lets you install a measuring system. Here, Shark, Blackhawk's electronic measuring system, without the need for the use of optional accessories. Measuring the vehicle, whatever the size of the repair to be carried out, enables the operator to make sure that the impact has not caused more severe damage than what was apparent visually at the outset, and thus guarantee the quality of the work to be done for the customer. The measuring system remains in place for the whole time straightening is being carried out. Dropping the vehicle after repair is very quick and simple. You just need to carry out the installation procedure in reverse. But these are not post-lift's only qualities and advantages. After simplicity, speed, power, and ergonomics, its versatility is without doubt one of its most remarkable advantages. The post-lift meets all types of vehicle straightening needs, but also enables the operator to carry out a variety of other work at his own height, such as reassembling, checking for fit, sanding, etc. Blackhawk's post-lift is the tool, which for a modest investment will bring new profitability to your workshop and new levels of working comfort for your staff.